Welcome to our ultimate guide to the top 5 best concealers on the market today. If you've ever struggled with dark circles, blemishes, or uneven skin tone, the right concealer can work wonders. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 of the best options to help you find the perfect match for your needs. Whether you're looking for long-lasting coverage, hydration, or a budget-friendly option, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r. The Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Concealer is a high-performance, creamy concealer that's perfect for achieving a smooth, filtered finish. Designed by Rihanna, this concealer is a go-to for anyone seeking buildable coverage that looks natural yet flawless. Key features: this concealer offers a lightweight formula that blends seamlessly into the skin. With an impressive 50-shade range, it caters to a wide variety of skin tones and undertones. Its crease-proof technology ensures a smooth finish throughout the day, and it's enriched with climate-adaptive properties to withstand humidity and sweat. Benefits and usage: the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r provides medium to full coverage, making it ideal for dark circles, blemishes, and discoloration. Dab a small amount under your eyes or on problem areas, then blend using a sponge or brush for a perfected look. It's also versatile enough to double as a contour or highlighter when selecting lighter or darker shades. Usability: this concealer is beginner-friendly and perfect for those who prefer minimal touch-ups throughout the day. The doe foot applicator allows for precise application, and the formula sets quickly without the need for excessive layering. Durability: true to its name, the Pro Filt'r offers all-day wear without fading or creasing. Its sweat-resistant and humidity-proof properties make it suitable for long days or special occasions. Whether you're in the office or dancing the night away, this concealer stays put. In the second spot, we have LA Girl Pro Conceal. The LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer is a cult favorite among makeup enthusiasts, loved for its affordability and versatility. This budget-friendly option delivers high-definition coverage without breaking the bank. Key features: this concealer features a lightweight, creamy formula that blends easily for a seamless finish. It comes in over 30 shades, including color-correcting options to neutralize redness, dark spots, and dullness. Its built-in brush applicator makes it easy to apply directly to the skin. Benefits and usage: perfect for concealing imperfections and evening out skin tone, the LA Girl Pro Conceal is ideal for everyday use. Apply it under your eyes, around your nose, or on blemishes, and blend using a sponge or fingertips. Its buildable coverage means you can achieve a natural or more full coverage look. Usability: this concealer is easy to work with, even for beginners. The brush applicator ensures precise application, while the lightweight texture prevents it from feeling heavy on the skin. It's also suitable for contouring and highlighting, making it a versatile addition to your makeup kit. Durability: while not as long-wearing as some higher-end options, the LA Girl Pro Conceal offers decent staying power, especially when set with powder. It's perfect for short to medium wear and touch-ups throughout the day. Coming in at number 3 is the Too Faced Born This Way. The Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer is a multi-use product designed for those who love a natural yet full coverage finish. It's infused with skin-loving ingredients that make it a standout option in the concealer market. Key features: this concealer is enriched with coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid, which help hydrate and brighten the skin. It's available in 35 shades and offers a large doe foot applicator for easy application. The formula is oil-free, non-comedogenic, and works for all skin types. Benefits and usage: offering full coverage with a lightweight feel, this concealer effectively hides dark circles, blemishes, and redness. It can also be used as a foundation or for contouring and highlighting. Blend it out with a sponge or brush for a flawless, airbrushed finish. Usability: the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer's creamy consistency makes it easy to blend, while its hydrating ingredients ensure it doesn't settle into fine lines. It's a great choice for dry or mature skin types looking for a radiant finish. Durability, this concealer boasts 12-hour wear, staying put through long days and special events. Its hydrating formula prevents it from cracking or drying out, even in challenging conditions. Taking our fourth spot is e.l.f. Hydrating Camo. The e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer is a drugstore gem that offers impressive performance for a fraction of the price of high-end brands. It's perfect for those seeking hydration and coverage on a budget. Key features: this concealer features a hydrating formula enriched with sodium hyaluronate to lock in moisture. It's available in 25 shades and comes with a large doe foot applicator for quick and precise application. The satin finish ensures a natural, skin-like appearance. Benefits and usage: ideal for dry or combination skin, this concealer provides medium to full coverage without caking. Use it to cover dark circles, blemishes, or redness, and blend with a sponge or brush for a smooth finish. Its hydrating properties make it comfortable for all-day wear. Usability: the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer is easy to work with, thanks to its creamy texture and user-friendly applicator. It's also cruelty-free and vegan, appealing to those who prioritize ethical beauty products. Durability: while not as long-lasting as some high-end concealers, this product holds up well for 6 to 8 hours when set with powder. It's perfect for daily wear or short events and offers great value for its price. And finally, at number 5, we have MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour. The MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer is a professional-grade product designed for long-lasting, high-performance coverage. It's a favorite among makeup artists and beauty enthusiasts alike. Key features: this concealer provides a lightweight, sweat-resistant formula that delivers medium to full coverage. Available in 33 shades, it caters to various skin tones and undertones. The matte finish ensures a polished look, while the precision applicator makes it easy to target specific areas. Benefits and usage: perfect for all skin types, this concealer effectively covers dark circles, blemishes, and discoloration. Apply it directly to problem areas and blend with a brush or sponge for a seamless finish. Its matte finish makes it ideal for oily or combination skin. Usability: the MAC Studio Fix Concealer is easy to blend and build, making it suitable for both natural and dramatic looks. Its compact size and long-lasting formula make it a reliable choice for on-the-go touch-ups. Durability: as the name suggests, this concealer delivers up to 24 hours of wear, staying put through heat, humidity, and long days. It's a top choice for those needing reliable, all-day coverage. And there you have it, our top 5 best concealers for achieving flawless skin. From high-end favorites to budget-friendly gems, these products cater to every need and skin type. Whether you're looking for hydration, long-lasting wear, or multi-use versatility, there's a concealer on this list for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews. See you in the next video.